Hey everybody, Lance here with GrillBillies BBQ in Wendell, North Carolina. I want to talk to you today about the Meadow Creek BBQ 26S. This one is a little bit off the standard makeup. Standard is that they have four 1-inch hole columns with 5-inch wheels on it. This one's actually an upgrade with the stand and the pedestal. There's an additional upgrade that's available with an 8-inch lid. The customer that ordered this one didn't want the 8-inch lid, but it is available. But it's not online or it's not an option anywhere around, but we can get it in with an 8-inch lid. This is a chicken flipper, 26 inches across, 16 by 24 with this grate. You can fit about 10 pounds of chicken wings, etc. Load it up. Charcoal fire is built on the bottom. Depending on where your grill is, it's going to be 11 to 13 inches away from the charcoal, so you're talking about a semi-direct cook. Clamp your chicken or whatever you want down, lock it into place, and then every 4 to 5 minutes you just flip the entire grate with your food on it. This is a great backyard, small family, small gatherings unit. It's not going to be huge for big town halls, but it's going to be great for your backyard. Additionally, if you don't want this to flip, you can pull this out. It comes standard with a charcoal grill pan. So put that charcoal grill pan down in here, and one of the options is flat grate. Flat grate goes in here and does not flip. Does not flip. So you can put, again, 8 or 10 steaks on it and use it as a charcoal grill. You're looking at about 400 square inches of cook space on the flat grate and a little bit less at 384 on the flipping grate. But you can order them however you'd like. There's a lot of different options. Come see us at Wendell, North Carolina at GrillBillies or GrillBilliesBBQ.com. Thanks for watching. Keep on grilling.